Recent government data reveals that a concerning 6% of cough syrup samples from 54 Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers failed mandatory quality tests for export up to October this year. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) report, based on extensive sample testings in states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Chandigarh, exposes that out of the 2014 samples, 128 or 6% were deemed not of standard quality (NSQ). This alarming revelation prompts a closer examination of the quality control measures in place. As per the data breakdown, the Gujarat lab reported 51 NSQ samples out of 385, while the Ghaziabad lab found 29 out of 502 samples to be substandard. Notably, the Union Commerce Ministry mandated through a May order this year that cough syrup manufacturers must undergo government lab testing before exporting their products. This directive came into effect after India-made cough syrups were reportedly linked to tragic incidents of child deaths in several countries. In a specific case from December last year, a cough syrup from Noida-based Marion Biotech was associated with the unfortunate demise of 18 children in Uzbekistan. The gravity of the situation was further underscored on October 5, 2022, when the World Health Organization issued a medical product alert for 4 cough syrups. Those 4 cough syrups were promethazine oral solution, Cofix Maline baby cough syrup, Make-Off baby cough syrup, and Maghreb and cold syrup, manufactured and exported by Haryana-based Maiden Pharmaceuticals. Shockingly, the UN body-linked Maiden syrups led to the tragic deaths of 66 children in the Gambia. This unfolding scenario demands immediate attention and scrutiny, like it is taken this time by removing 54 Indian pharmaceutical manufacturers and their data revelation.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.